Hello friends, we will come welcome to the next Magento tutorials. In this video, we have done with the product, we have done with the orders. What left? That is customers. So let's do that way. What we have to delete that we have to remove this action button delete from this customer panel custom listing grid, and also further one we can also remove it from the edit part also, delete customer. Okay, so first of all we will remove it from the this bulk mass section. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. So first of all I need to copy the full fledged and copy this paste. Okay, so I'm going to rename it with the customer mass section, right? Customer mass section, name it. Okay, first of all etc ui view registration.php, these three folders important. etc for the registration of a module, so let's rename it like customer mass section. Let's move to the next one, customer mass section. After that we need to go to we need to go first registration, open it. So I'm going to use this one, customer mass section. Open it. I'm going to add this customer mass section. Done. Then we will go to the view admin html ui component. Here we have product listing, remove it. Here we need to add the customer. So let's check out with the ui component. We have customer listing.xml, copy and paste it. Here we need to open it, what exactly they have. You need to replace this one also. So I'm going to add this customer mass action, no full, for the ui part. So here I'm going to add it over here. Rajnikant customer mass section. Okay, here I'm not going to use the customer, so directly mass section. Got it. Now I'm going to copy this one and just add this at the mass section. So let's go to the admin html ui mass section and remove this one. Correct, and we are done. Let's compile this command, say compile this command Magento. So let's add the di compile first. We have done everything, no? Yes, I guess. If something not working, then we can check it. Next, we need to run the upgrade. Done. Then deployment. Then permissions. Volume is okay, I guess. Okay, this is done. Reload this. Delete option is hide or removed from the customer section. Okay. So the motive and agenda is completed, that we have successfully removed the delete from the mass section. I request those people who haven't yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel for learning the Magento tutorials, right? This is all about the coding, not I'm adding the just add the product, add the custom pages. These are basics which are already added. All this currently we have learning the coding, how we are going to play with the rest of the modules, right? So those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and those who have learned something, please do like and comment that we have learned this new thing that you have that I we have always uploaded. Okay, and anything else I left, please do like, share and comment, so that I will be motivated to upload more and more content on the various platforms. Okay, so if you want something new, just to write in the comment box that I need that kind of module, please upload it or something like that. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. For today, that's now. We will next, like Sunday, we will going to upload the new video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.